Many people dream of moving to New Zealand but aren't sure if it's possible without a skilled job. I'll explain the visa situation for unskilled workers and what options are available, so you have realistic expectations when planning your move to NZ. Unskilled jobs and visa sponsorship. Firstly, what exactly are unskilled jobs? Unskilled work refers to jobs that don't require high qualifications, training, or experience. The reality is that it is very difficult to get visa sponsorship from an employer for an unskilled job in New Zealand, and retail assistant. The immigration system primarily focuses on bringing in skilled migrants who fill shortages in industries like healthcare, engineering, tech, and construction. Most unskilled roles do not qualify for long-term visa sponsorship as they do not meet the skill level or pay threshold required by Immigration New Zealand. Very few employers are approved to sponsor someone for an unskilled position. So, if you're hoping for a cafe, farm, or retail store to sponsor your visa, unfortunately, this is unlikely to happen. There are good reasons why visa sponsorship is restricted for unskilled migrants. The government's priority is getting Kiwis into jobs first. Unskilled roles generally have higher unemployment rates for locals. Bringing in overseas workers for these roles can make youth unemployment even worse. The immigration system aims to strengthen the economy by attracting highly skilled migrants with qualifications that are lacking in the local workforce. Unskilled migrants tend to earn lower wages and may require more social support. For these reasons, you shouldn't rely on an unskilled job offer to get permanent residency. Seasonal work visa. Another option aimed at unskilled workers is the seasonal work visa. This lets you work in the horticulture and viticulture industries during peak harvest season for 6 to 9 months. Employers like vineyards, orchards, and farms provide accommodation and sponsor seasonal workers when they need extra labor during busy periods. We cover a wide range of topics, including technology, health, and lifestyle. Stay tuned for weekly updates and exciting new videos. We cover a wide range of topics, and hit the bell icon. Technology, health, and lifestyle. Stay tuned for weekly updates and exciting new videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit